Berlin TV, all you need to watch. Berlin TV, all you to know about country.
The language of Afenyo-Markins, the Honorable Afenyo-Markins, in attacking the speaker, was unparliamentary, very uncultured. And this is the first time that I'm seeing live an MP attack the Speaker of Parliament using unparliamentary language, using invectives, using assaulting, the Speaker's character, and playing to the gallery. It's unwarranted. It's uncalled for, and I'm glad that the Honorable Afenyo-Markins himself recognized the need for decency. A majority leader ought not launch an assault on the citadel of Parliament merely because they disagree with the Speaker. When he was addressing the media, the whole world was watching. This is not, the way a leader, the majority leader, should address the right honorable Speaker. And I think that the majority leader or minority leader should apologize to the whole nation, not even to the Speaker, to the nation, because what he has done will forever remain a scar on the conscience of the nation. This is the first time that I'm seeing such an unruly behavior on the part of a majority leader. A majority leader carries the whole nation. They become the conscience of the majority, we the people, the representatives. And therefore, if there is a matter, a burning issue in Parliament that requires maturity, the wisdom of the elderly, grey-haired people to purchase men's opinion, that is what ought to be done. Not to play to the guy by attacking the Speaker, calling the Speaker all sorts of names, and saying that he's wreaking havoc on the nation. No Speaker will wreak havoc on his own nation. What for? You see, now viewers will recall, with the greatest respect, it was not the speakers, whether it was a ruling or an opinion or a communication, that sparked of the fire. It was the announcement or the pronouncement of the MPP caucus that they will boycott Parliament until the final determination of the suit before the Supreme Court. And the suit has not been finally disposed of. And therefore, as far as I'm concerned, they have said they will not go. Right. So let us wait until the 11th of this month.
But they asked the Speaker to reconvene Parliament.
Yes, it was a laughable request they made. If you say that the Supreme Court has the most say in this matter, I beg to differ. The Supreme Court doesn't have any say in this political tussle that is going on between the minority.
Oh, you don't think it's a legal tussle?
No. It is devoid of any constitutional, legality, to send it to the Supreme Court.
Well, the Chief Justice thinks otherwise. She's been able to, find in the Constitution that even Parliament is subject to them. She went on to say not even the...
That has added to the problem.
The executive. How so?
Yeah, because sometimes in trying to find a solution to a problem, you rather create more problems. Somebody runs to the Supreme Court. We have an issue in the Supreme Court. Who are the parties in the first place? So the Supreme Court saw one party or recognized one party, Afenyo-Markins. Who were the other parties? They said
the Speaker.
The Speaker. The Speaker ought not have been a party. Under the Constitution, under Article 88, Clause 5 of the Constitution, the Attorney General is the nominal defendant. And since the Attorney General had not been served, there was no defendant properly before the Supreme Court. And that is why I have kept persistently to say that the jurisdiction of the Supreme Court had not been properly invoked, because there was only one party. You need to tango. There must be two parties before the Supreme Court. Now, where the Constitution specifies a party, the Supreme Court ought to respect that.